first.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our Average Wild Experience.
Starting route to Burgess Falls State Park.
Well, there they are. Quick hike. Time to go home. Found them.
Ignoring him.
Alright, let's go find the actual Burgess Falls, shall we? We're at the trailhead. It's a 3/4 mile down to Burgess Falls. Very strenuous, not stroller friendly. Let's go see what we can find. Are these Burgess's Falls?
Yep. We drove an hour and a half to see that little trickle.
Gotta keep going. We're not there yet. That is Burgess's Falls.
It's 100% hustle.
Yes.
It is.
Got some kayakers. And just like that, we made it. So we're just chilling at the base of the falls here. Megan's taking some pictures. And it's still absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's 8 o'clock. There's one person here anymore, the guys that were fishing over there. And it's beautiful. The answer? Very cool. My hat is all messed up right now.
It's a good look.
The answer is very cool.
So awesome.
Got some fishermen Fisherman over there.
Fish your kids. That's the overlook.
Sorry.
Then you hike down to the top of the falls.
Overlook's right there. Then you can hike all the way down and get right out to that out point right there.
Now I want to know how to get below it.
It's next on the list. Figure out how to get even deeper. Lower. So obviously it's a really cool place just to come hang out, have a lunch, sunbathe, bring kids, dip your toes in the water, whatever. It's a really cool place to do that. Have a nice little walk area here on the rocks. What do you think so far?
Pretty cool. I want to get below it.
I like this little area that you can just kind of do whatever in.
Yeah, pretty cool. But being down below it, you realize how incredibly cool and big this waterfall is. Like, what is it, 156 feet, I think?
Yeah.
It's like one of the tallest in the area.
It's tall from up there, but
You
then
realize that it's tall.
you get down here and you're like, I am so small compared to this thing.
Yeah. Like,
It's
tiny.
astounding. So apparently there's this other trail that goes back to the parking lot. So we're gonna see where it leads. And hopefully
Parking lot, so it's that.
hopefully it's our parking lot. It's pretty cool though.
Really quick hike, so I don't know how much other hiking there is in this state park, but it's cool falls, it's really cool, but it's, what have we been here, 45 minutes, 50 minutes?
Yeah, it's not a full day. It's a quick afternoon. But it's pretty cool to see the falls. There's an overlook. And then if you want to go down to the top of the falls, there's a quick little jaunt down there. It's pretty moderate at most, but it was still pretty cool and pretty awesome to see A, the big fall, but B, all the miniature falls and streams leading up to it.
Gorgeous. The trail is pretty good. Definitely at the hardest, it's moderate. I would borderline say it's easy. It's just a lot of stairs.
Yeah.
It's definitely worth the stop, but I would plan it with maybe Burgess Falls State Park or another something that has more trails.
Yeah, Burgess Falls is right down the road. We went to that 2 weeks ago. That was really, really cool. I would definitely pair it with that one if I'm in the area.